In this video, I'll show you how to enable voice search on LG TV. Step 1. Ensure you have a magic remote. Most LG TVs require the magic remote for voice search. Look for a microphone button on your magic remote. Step 2. Turn on voice features. Go to Settings, then All Settings, and then General. Find Voice or AI Service and ensure it is enabled. Agree to voice data/privacy terms if prompted. Step 3. Make sure your TV is online. Voice features need an internet connection. Go to Settings, then Network, and confirm your TV is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 4. Use the voice search. Hold down the microphone button and speak your search. Release the button to see results. Use for channel changing, web search, app launching, and more. Step 5. Troubleshooting. Update your TV software if voice search is missing or not working. Replace your remote batteries if the microphone doesn't respond. Confirm that your region or language settings support voice features. And that is how you use voice search on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. And I'll try to help you out. Have a nice day. Bye.